Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you shop smarter. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the top 5 best beard trimmers available right now. Whether you want a clean, sharp look or a perfectly groomed beard, these trimmers offer great performance, durability, and value. Let's dive right in. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Manscaped The Beard Hedger Premium Men's Beard Trimmer, 20-length adjustable blade wheel, stainless steel T-blade for precision facial hair trimming, cordless waterproof wet/dry clipper. The Manscaped Beard Hedger is engineered to give you maximum control over your grooming routine. Built with a premium stainless steel T-blade, it delivers sharp, precise cuts that glide smoothly through different hair types without pulling or snagging. What sets it apart is the 20-length adjustable blade wheel. Instead of swapping out guard combs, you simply turn the wheel to get the exact length you want, whether you're maintaining short stubble or sculpting a full beard. The trimmer's cordless design gives you freedom of movement, while the waterproof build allows you to use it confidently in the shower or for quick dry trims. Cleaning is just as easy. Run the blade under water and it's ready for the next use. The strong motor provides ensuring every pass feels smooth and efficient. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that delivers extended runtime, giving you multiple trimming sessions on a single charge. The modern USB-C charging capability means you can power it up quickly at home or on the go, making it a reliable travel companion. The ergonomic grip is designed for comfort and control, helping you navigate around the jawline, neckline, and mustache area with ease. The Beard Hedger combines practicality with performance. Its single adjustable wheel reduces clutter from extra attachments, while the sharp T-blade ensures clean, defined edges. Whether you prefer a low-maintenance style or you're someone who pays close attention to grooming detail, this trimmer offers the flexibility, durability, and convenience needed to keep your look sharp. Number 2. Norelco Philips Multi-Groom 7000 Series, All-in-One Trimmer, Beard Trimmer and Hair Clipper, 19-piece men's grooming kit for beard, head, hair, body, and face, soft pouch, MG7910/49. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000 series is an all-in-one grooming solution designed to handle every aspect of personal care. This 19-piece kit includes attachments for beard, hair, head, body, and face grooming, making it one of the most versatile options available. The trimmer features dual-cut technology, with self-sharpening blades that maintain their precision even after years of use. This ensures you get a clean, even trim every time. The trimmer's body is crafted from stainless steel, giving it a durable and premium feel. Its powerful lithium-ion battery provides up to 5 hours of runtime on a single charge, making it ideal for extended use without constantly recharging. If you ever forget to charge, a quick 5-minute boost gives you enough power for a single trim. The included attachments cover nearly every grooming need: a full-size steel trimmer, precision detail trimmer, extra wide hair clipper, body groomer, nose and ear trimmer, plus multiple trimming guards for beard, stubble, hair, and body hair. With so many options, you can easily customize your look, whether that's a sharp beard line, clean neckline, or body grooming. Its no-slip rubber grip ensures comfort and control while trimming, even when used for longer sessions. The trimmer is also fully washable, so maintaining it is quick and simple. Just rinse the attachments and they're ready to go again. The travel pouch keeps everything organized, making it easy to carry when you're on the move. With its combination of power, versatility, and precision, the Philips Multi-Groom 7000 is a complete grooming kit that eliminates the need for multiple devices, giving you everything in one package. Number 3. Manscaped The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra Groin and Body Hair Trimmer, Dual-Head Skin-Safe Trimmer and Foil Blades, Waterproof Wet/Dry Groomer, USB-C Rechargeable with Travel Case, Men's Ball Shaver, Black. The Manscaped Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra is built specifically for below-the-waist and body grooming, offering advanced technology for a safer and smoother trim. It features dual interchangeable heads, a skin-safe trimmer blade for general grooming and a foil blade for finishing touches and a closer shave. This makes it a 2-in-1 solution for both quick trims and detailed cleanups. Engineered with skin-safe technology, the blades are designed to reduce nicks and irritation, making it ideal for sensitive areas like the groin. The waterproof design allows you to use it in the shower for added convenience, and cleaning is as easy as rinsing underwater. Its compact design and ergonomic grip provide excellent control, helping you maneuver confidently over tricky areas. The Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra is powered by a rechargeable battery with a long-lasting runtime, and it uses USB-C charging for fast and convenient power-ups. The quiet but powerful motor ensures efficient trimming, and the precision of the blades makes grooming safe, reliable, and smooth. This model also comes with a travel case, making it easy to pack and carry discreetly. Its build quality feels premium, with a sleek black finish that gives it a modern look. Designed for both wet and dry use, it adapts to your preferred grooming routine, whether that's a quick dry trim or a full grooming session in the shower. The combination of skin-safe technology, dual heads, waterproof design, and USB-C charging makes the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra one of the most advanced body groomers available, offering a safe, comfortable, and precise grooming experience. Number 4. Wall USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus Beard Trimmer for Men. Electric Shaver and Nose Ear Trimmer. Rechargeable all-in-one men's grooming kit. Model 9864SS. The Wall Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus Trimmer is built with professional-grade performance in mind. Its all-metal body gives it a premium, durable feel, while the advanced self-sharpening blades deliver sharp, precise cuts with every use. Known for its power, this trimmer features a high-torque motor that maintains consistent performance, even on thicker or coarser hair. It comes with multiple attachments that make it a true all-in-one grooming kit. The set includes T-blades for precision trimming, detail shavers for clean finishing, and nose and ear trimmers for tackling hard-to-reach areas. Multiple guide combs are also included, allowing you to customize your beard length, hair, or stubble style easily. One of its standout features is the impressive battery life. With up to 6 hours of runtime per charge, it outperforms many trimmers on the market. It also offers quick charging, giving you enough power for a single trim in just a few minutes if you're in a rush. The smart LED charging indicator helps you keep track of battery status, so you're never caught off guard. The Wall 9864SS is designed for versatility and comfort. Its ergonomic design provides a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver for precise trimming and shaping. The attachments snap on and off quickly, and the blades are simple to rinse clean under running water. For those who want a professional-grade trimmer at home, this Wall model delivers long-lasting power, precision, and durability, making it a reliable option for complete grooming. Number 5. Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 99440, 13-in-1 Beard, Face, Nose, Ear Trimmer, Hair Clippers, Body Groomer and Manscaping. The Braun Series 99440 All-in-One Shaving Kit is designed to handle every grooming need with a single device. This 13-in-1 kit includes attachments for beard trimming, hair clipping, nose and ear trimming, body grooming, and precise detailing. With so many functions in one package, it replaces the need for multiple separate devices. It uses AutoSense technology to adjust power based on the thickness of your hair, delivering consistent cutting performance without snagging. The blades are engineered to stay sharp over time, ensuring clean and even results with every use. The trimmer is also fully waterproof, giving you the flexibility to use it in the shower or for dry grooming. The battery performance is impressive, offering up to 100 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. A quick charge feature gives you enough power for one trim in just a few minutes, which is perfect for last-minute grooming. The included charging stand keeps the device ready to go whenever you need it. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and control during use, and the attachments are simple to swap out, making the grooming process efficient and convenient. From maintaining stubble or shaping a beard to trimming hair and grooming the body, this kit provides reliable tools for every style. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best beard trimmers. Each one delivers quality results, so you can choose the one that fits your style and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.